Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the top 7 powerful motorcycles for new riders 2024. Number 7. BMW G310R. The BMW G310R is a perfect gateway to the exciting world of BMW motorcycles. Weighing in at a featherlight 362 pounds, this zippy roadster boasts a beginner-friendly 313cc single-cylinder engine that punches out 34 horsepower. Its nimble handling and low 30.9-inch seat height, with an optional lower seat available, inspire confidence for new riders. An upside-down fork and adjustable rear shock soak up bumps, while the single bi-bree front disc brake with ABS provides strong stopping power. Unlike some entry-level bikes, the G310R offers premium touches like a crisp LCD display, LED lights, and a ride-by-wire throttle for smooth power delivery. The 2024 model remains largely unchanged, but maintains its reputation for excellent fuel economy, around 32 kilometers per liter, and a comfortable riding position, thanks to strategically placed handlebars and a well-padded seat. At an attractive $4,995 starting price, the BMW G310R is a compelling choice for budget-minded riders seeking a premium brand experience. Number 6. Kawasaki Z400, calling all new riders and urban thrill seekers. Kawasaki Z400 is back, offering a sharp and exciting package for 2024. This aggressive street fighter boasts a fuel-injected 399cc parallel twin engine, pumping out 45 horsepower, perfect for learning throttle control and mastering city streets. Its lightweight trellis frame and comfortable upright riding position, with a low 785mm seat height, inspire confidence for maneuvering tight spaces and twisties. New for 2024 is a more rigid 41mm telescopic fork for improved handling, while the standard equipment list includes an assist and slipper clutch for smoother gear changes and ABS for enhanced braking control. The Z400's aggressive Suzuki styling, featuring a sharp LED headlight and a compact digital instrument cluster, completes the head-turning package. With a 14 liters fuel tank, you can explore the city and surrounding areas on a single fill-up, priced competitively at $4,999. The Kawasaki Z400 is a strong contender for the title of Best Beginner-Friendly Naked Bike. Number 5. Honda CB300R. The 2024 Honda CB300R is a lightweight champ that boasts a fuel-efficient, liquid-cooled 286cc single-cylinder engine with 30.4 horsepower, perfect for new riders and city commutes. Its sporty Neo Sports Cafe styling, complete with an aggressive headlight and low clip-on handlebars, gives a confident stance. The 6-speed gearbox offers smooth gear changes, while the standard ABS ensures controlled stopping. The rider position leans slightly forward, ideal for navigating tight streets. Compared to older CBR models, the CB300R features a more relaxed riding position and a slightly taller seat at 31.6 inches. With a curb weight of just 316 pounds and a 9.7 liters fuel tank, this nimble machine offers excellent fuel economy and maneuverability. Priced at a budget-friendly $5,149, the 2024 Honda CB300R is a fantastic option for beginners or urban riders seeking a sporty and practical motorcycle. Number 4. Suzuki GSX 250R. Debuting without major changes for 2024, the Suzuki GSX 250R ABS offers a thrilling entry point into the world of sport bikes. This lightweight, 399 pounds, machine boasts aggressive, fully fared aesthetics inspired by its bigger GSX siblings. Its 248cc, fuel-injected parallel twin engine delivers a smooth, user-friendly power band with a claimed 24.7 horsepower, perfect for new riders or navigating city streets. The low 31.1-inch seat height and comfortable riding position with slightly forward-leaning clip-on handlebars inspire confidence, while the standard ABS ensures controlled braking in any condition. Information is displayed on a clear, reverse-lit LCD instrument panel, and LED lighting adds a modern touch. The 4 gallons fuel tank combined with the GSX 250R's excellent fuel economy, estimated 73.6 miles per gallon, grants an impressive riding range exceeding 250 miles. While not a powerhouse, the GSX 250R prioritizes maneuverability, affordability, and rider comfort, making it a compelling choice for learners or budget-minded riders seeking a stylish and practical sport bike experience. The MSRP for the 2024 Suzuki GSX 250R ABS remains unchanged at $5,099. Number 3. Kawasaki Ninja 400. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 might be your perfect match. This lightweight contender offers a thrilling ride with its 399cc parallel twin engine, urging you to carve up corners. The comfortable, slightly aggressive riding position with clip-on handlebars puts you in control, while the well-cushioned seat ensures you can enjoy the ride for longer. Flicking through the slick shifting gearbox is a joy, and the responsive handling inspires confidence. New riders will appreciate the confidence-inspiring anti-lock braking system, ABS, that comes standard. With a 14 liters fuel tank, you can explore freely between fill-ups. Priced at $5,699, the Kawasaki Ninja 400 is a compelling option for new riders seeking a balance of performance, comfort, and affordability. So, are you ready to unleash your inner ninja? Number 2. KTM 390 Duke. The 2024 KTM 390 Duke is a complete beast in a compact package. This isn't your average beginner bike. It's practically 90% new compared to its predecessor, boasting a bumped-up 399cc single-cylinder engine that fires out 44.3 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 28.8 pound-feet of torque at 7,000 revolutions per minute. Don't let the single cylinder fool you. This motor screams with a smooth, exhilarating power band. With a lighter chassis and new wheels, the Duke sheds weight, making those corners a joy to carve. A full-color TFT display keeps you informed, while lean-sensitive ABS and traction control ensure you stay pointed in the right direction. The aggressive, sharp design reflects the Duke's performance persona, and the comfortable, albeit firm, seat keeps you planted for exciting rides. Compared to the 2023 model, you'll get more power, a lighter build, improved suspension, and a host of premium features, all for a starting price of $6,299. With a 15 liters fuel tank, you can focus on the ride, not the gas station. So, if you crave an adrenaline rush on two wheels, the KTM 390 Duke is your weapon of choice. Number 1. Yamaha YZFR3. Sticking to the winning formula, Yamaha hasn't made any radical changes to the 2024 YZFR3, but that doesn't mean it's not a fantastic option for new and intermediate riders. Its lightweight, 167 kilograms, design and nimble handling, thanks to the upside-down forks and short wheelbase, make it a joy to carve through corners. The 321cc 41.4 horsepower engine delivers a thrilling ride without being intimidating, and the comfortable, slightly raised seating position allows for good visibility and control. While it lacks modern rider aids like traction control, its focus remains pure motorcycling fun. Compared to the previous model, the 2024 R3 boasts a slightly revised handlebar position and a lowered fuel tank, 14 liters, for improved ergonomics and a more aggressive riding stance. At a price of $5,499, the R3 offers a compelling value proposition for those seeking a sporty and confidence-inspiring motorcycle. Remember, while these motorcycles offer impressive performance, rider skill and safety should always be prioritized. We encourage new riders to take proper training and practice before hitting the open road. Subscribe for more motorcycle insights and recommendations.